Hello guys and gals, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, then I am Bethan. So in today's video I'm letting a random number generator pick my makeup, and of course I've got to use my new palette, the Carnival 3 palette, Love Tahiti by Be Perfect Cosmetics and Stacey Marie MUA. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to count how many shades are in the palette and then get a random number generator, and I'm going to pick maybe like 3 shades, so let's do that. Okay, so there's 40 shades, so I've basically counted it from like, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. So let's get a random number generator up. So min is 1 and then max is 40, so typed that in, just typed it in, I don't know if you can see, just typed it in. So then I'm going to click generate. So the first number is 1, which is the dark green I used in my last video, Forest. Then the next number is 10, so that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This blue shade here, Lagoon. I feel like it's going to be another greeny blue look or something. And the third, I really hope it's a shimmer. 35, it's this dark purple shade, Blackberry. So I've got Forest, the Deep and Blackberry. I really want a shimmer though. I'm going to try for a shimmer because I've not actually that long ago done a green and blue and purple look. So let's just try again. I'm just going to basically do it until I fall on a shimmer. So I'm praying this next one's a shimmer. 33, that's 35, 34, 30. Ooh! So it's this rose pink shimmer. Okay, I'm happy with that. So they're the colours I'm working with. So let's just, yeah, I'm gonna just quickly get my eyes ready and then, yeah. So my lids are prepped, ready. So yeah, so the first shade I'm going to take is the green, so the Forest shade dark green. I'm going to do like a cut crease, I think. So I'm going to take a packing brush, it's actually stained from last time I used it, so. And I'm going to dip into that Forest green shade. And then I'm basically going to pat above my crease. I'm going to kind of like mop out the cut crease, if that makes sense. Bring it out like so. I'm just going to go back in and then just pat over that just to get the pigment. It's officially 1st of December, the day I'm filming on, so I'm wearing a green hoodie, and oh my god, it's green. I should have done a Christmas look, but I thought I wanted to do the random number generator, so I thought, why not? But I probably will film like a Christmassy look soon. Okay, so that's the green on. I'm going to take a blending brush. I'm going to dip into that Lagoon shade, this blue here, and I'm going to blend that out with the Lagoon shade. I'm not fully blending out the edges, I'm kind of focusing on blending the blue with the green at the minute, because I'm going to go in with a clean blending brush and blend out the edges. I feel like if this blue was a lot darker, it'd blend a lot easier. I mean, they're blending fine, but I've got to work a bit more. And I'm going to go back in with that green, and I'm going to pat it on, but I'm also going to slightly like blend it up into the blue. I'm going to take a lot on my brush. Just want to bring back a bit of the green and then just circular motions into the blue so it blends easier. Looking like a sea colour, isn't it? Green and blue. And then black in with that blending brush and the blue. I'm just going to repeat what I've just done and blend the colours together. Then I'm going to take a clean blending brush. I'm going to blend out the edges of that so it's just all nice and seamless. I'm getting a brush with no product on at all. And then I'm just going to blend those edges out. Then I'm going to cut the crease. I'm actually just going to take a bit of micellar water with a cotton bud and I'm just kind of cleaning it up. You don't have to do this. I didn't actually used to do this, but when I started doing it, it does work a lot better for when you're cutting the crease. It's only like a rough outline because obviously the concealer is going to really clean it up. And as well, you're not going to get like the green on your lid, you know, underneath the concealer, which can be annoying. When cutting your crease, you want to tap, not swipe. Honestly, tapping helps so much. You can be more precise and you don't have to worry about moving any of the makeup. And I think it's just a lot easier if you tap. And because I kind of marked out where I want my cut crease to go, I could kind of just follow the line I created, but obviously to be more precise. Obviously when you've got it like in the line, you can pull the concealer down and then just get the excess and tap it all over the lid. And then moving on to the purple shade, but what I'm going to do is what Stacey Marie does. So she actually starts with her lower lash line, so then she can kind of map out where to go up. So I'm going to take that purple shade Blackberry, get it on a packing brush, and I'm going to start about underneath my eyes. I'm not going to do fully because, you know, and then she'll bring it up so she can kind of follow the shape. And then I'm going to take it through and onto my lid. And I don't want to go fully to the crease. I'm just going to kind of leave a gap like so. I'm going to bring this out a little bit more. Like that, and then pat purple on. And then I'm going to take a small blending brush. I'm going to blend that out. And then blending it just roughly onto my lid, like so. And then I'm going to take some glitter glue, just a little bit, and I'm going to pat it on my lid where I'm going to put that shimmer. Take a bit on the brush, and then I'm going to pop it there on the lid, and then slightly into that purple. And then I'm going to clean that brush off, and I'm going to take that same brush, dip in with that shimmer shade. So it's that pink, that rose pink shade here. I'm going to dip into that. I'm going to paint that on. Oh, wow. I can't believe I've actually got this palette because it's so good. Such a pretty shade. Love it. I'm just going to be a bit extra and go in with my finger. And then just, yeah, like that. Like so. And then I'm going to go back in with that small blending brush. Take a bit of Blackberry on that brush. I'm not swiping, I'm just going to tap, because then I'm not actually moving the shimmer around. I'm just patting it on. Obviously when I do like my face, I'm going to just go under with the purple and then just blend that out. But yeah, that is the gist of the look. I'm going to do the other eye off camera and do my base, and then yeah. So that's the rest of the face done. I've used some Violet Voss lashes in the style Striptease. So I'm just going to finish under the eye. So I'm going to take that small blending brush and I'm going to take a little bit of that purple and I'm just going to blend that across like so. I don't want it fully blended through, just like that. And then add just some mascara to the lower lashes using the Urban Decay Perversion mascara. Just add a little bit of like so. And then to finish off with lips, I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Shimmer Bomb Gloss Shock in the shade Distortion. I'm just going to put it on my lips. That is the finished look, guys. I'm actually quite obsessed with how this look turned out. I'm really happy. The colours that were picked have worked really nice together. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Something different, you know. I might do this more with different palettes and maybe do that scrunchy one I did a while back where I picked 3 random colourful scrunchies instead of a number generator, but we'll see. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like or subscribe. Follow me on my social medias, they are linked down below. Don't forget to turn the bell on for notifications so you don't miss a post. I post every Wednesday and Sunday. And yes, I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye.